Good morning, guys. Today is the day. Today is the day. March 11. Ngayon araw, mag-o-oath ako for my citizenship in Spanish. At super excited ako. Kakagising ko lang. So, I'm really excited. Okay, hindi ko pa nakikita si Alvaro. So, tawagin natin siya. This is a vlog. Because today, I'm going to get my Spanish. Well, not going to get, but I'm going to take the oath.
Yeah.
For my citizenship. Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm going to be there also.
Wanted to document it just for. Oh my gosh, we look shit. I just wanted to document it.
We just woke up.
We just woke up. We just saw each other after sleeping.
Yeah.
I just wanted to document it for the memory. Yeah. But yeah, we will show you guys the process. Probably we will not post this in this month. We're going to post this in the next few months because I want to put them all together, including the getting the actual passport. What can you say? Are you happy that
Yeah.
I'm going to do the oath?
Yeah, I'm so happy. Finally.
Finally.
It was a long process.
Yeah. I went straight to the shower para makapag-work na agad after. Pero yun nga, sinasabi ko is like I'm really excited for my oath taking today. And yeah, it's been a long journey. Like I have been in Spain for 4 years already, and yeah, usually mas shorter to get your Spanish passport, but I don't know, we're not that lucky before, so yeah. But I feel like it came in the right time, in the right moment. Hindi natin to. Yeah, yun lang. But I'm really excited. Pero before the oath taking, we have work to do. May mga trabaho pa kami, so yeah, we need to work. We start early. And nag-work lang naman ako remotely for a Spanish company. So yeah, nasa bahay lang ako. Doon na ako sa office. But si Alvaro, it's always he wakes up, tapos he goes to his desk, but I mean to check some emails, I don't know, to work a bit, but he doesn't usually stay in the house for to work. He has his own office, like a co-working space. So yeah, so after working for a bit now, he will shower. I mean, he's having breakfast now actually. And then mas-shower siya, and then he'll go to work. Pero gusto ko lang talaga siyang i-document. Kasi sobrang achievement to, super. So, yun na. Almost 12:30 na, lalabas na kami soon. And bumalik si Alvaro dito sa bahay to join me in my oath. So we're going na to the
Notary.
Punta na kami doon. And I have my friend also, me, Alvaro, and of course me. It's like 3 to 5 minutes away from our place. And also, fun fact, hindi naman siya fun, but another story
We went to the same notary when we had our wedding. So it's nice. Same notary for all the achievements. Okay. And same person? No, I don't think so.
Same person.
Ah, is it? Okay. Same person. Two different applications. Okay, bye-bye. And yeah, I'm so happy. First step ng processing. So they told me like to wait for 1 to 2 months. I heard parang usually it can go like, I don't know, like 3 to 6 months. Pero yung notaryo, they told me na 1 to 2 months. So it's good. Let's wait for 1 to 2 months then. Hi guys! Kababalik lang namin from our trip sa Germany at katatanggap ko lang din ng message from my lawyer na meron na akong birth certificate. So, ibig sabihin nun, pwede na akong kumuha ng appointment para kumuha ng passport na Spanish passport. So, officially na talaga na Spanish na ako. I'm so happy. Although, wala pa ako yung printed passport, pero yun yung next kong gagawin. Magbo-book ng appointment, tapos pupunta ron. At ang kagandahan nga dito sa Spain, makukuha mo agad yung passport pag nakakuha ka ng appointment. At saka additional information din pala, from nung time na nag-oath taking ako hanggang sa ngayon, less than a month lang. Parang almost 4 weeks, pero less than a month lang siya. So, hindi siya umabot ng 30 days. Kaya, sobrang bilis na. Pero, actually expected ko, mas matagal, like 3 months hanggang 6 months pa. Pero, since ginawa ko siya dun sa private notaryo or notary dito, siguro dahil doon mas mabilis na yung process. Pero kasi kung gagawin ko siya sa government, which is okay lang din naman kasi magiging libre siya, yun pala yung difference. Pag sa government mo siya ginawa, yung oath taking, libre. Pero pag gusto mong mas mabilis, tulad ko, ginawa ko siya sa private, kailangan kong magbayad. Pero, yun, sobrang bilis. Good morning guys, it's May 20 and pupunta ako sa police station ulit para finally kuhanin na yung ID ko. Pero ang tagal ko rin to, ang tagal din namin na process ulit kasi nagkaroon siya ng error sa pangalan ng mama ko. So, actually, dun medyo tumagal. Pero hindi naman solely dahil sa process, well, part of it, but dahil din kasi naging busy kami ni Alvaro, naging busy ako, namin akong work trips, sa trips kasama yung friends, kasama si Alvaro. So, medyo na-drag na siya na-drag, pero finally, sana mamaya makuha na natin. Pero, ang kunin ko muna is yung ID muna. Tapos, ibubook ko ulit yung another appointment para naman sa passport. Pero actually, hindi naman ako masyadong nag-rush. Kasi, hindi ko pa naman siya sobrang kailangan. Though may plans kami ni Alvaro para mag-travel. Pero, hindi naman siya so soon na kailangan ko na talaga ng passport. And also, kaka-birthday ko lang. So, sana makuha ko na yung ID and yung passport soon para yun na yung birthday gift. So, nakauwi na ako ng bahay at nakuha ko na yung passport. So, ito na yung last part ng vlog na to. Dahil nakuha ko na ang passport! Yeah! So happy. Actually, ang kinuha ko ng appointment is for the ID, which is... Ayoko pakita, baka bawal. Ito. But, dahil mabait yung nandoon, pinrocess na rin niya itong passport, which is nagulat ako na ba't ako magbabayad ulit, yung pala para na yun pala sa passport. Well, actually yung una kong napilahan medyo masungit, so buti na lang nalipat ako dun sa pangalawa kasi mas mabait siya. Yun nga, meron na akong slight problema kasi yung pangalan ko may dash. Tunay kong pangalan, John Dominic. Pero sa Pilipinas, wala siyang dash. Pero dito, nalagyan ng dash. But I don't know if that would be the problem. Pero, I think better if I should use it from now on. Lalo na tuwing gagamitin ko yung passport for traveling. Pero, yun lang naman, I'm so happy. It's May 20. I'm not sure like how long ko sinimulan tong vlog and gaano katagal. Pero more or less from the time na nag-apply kami hanggang sa ngayon, siguro meron din siyang 6 months to 7 months. Kasi from application to this moment, siguro may 6 months to 7 months. And it's my birth month, so para na siyang regalo sa akin. So I'm really, really happy. Though I'm going to keep my Filipino passport kasi loyal. Joke lang. No, because I want to. Kasi may properties ako sa Philippines. So it's better if I have dual citizenship. So yun lang naman. But automatically magiging invalid na yung passport ko. Magiging invalid na yung Philippine passport ko. So i-apply ko lang siya ulit. Pero sa sabi sa akin ng mga friends ko, madali lang na. You just have to go to the embassy or the consulate and just tell them na I got my passport and so I want to renew my Philippine passport again. Anyway, it's a Tuesday and I'm so happy. Yeah. And yeah, may work kami ngayon. That's why Alvaro is not here. But that's it. This is basically it. So I'm really happy. I'm really, really, really happy for this achievement. It's not only my achievement, and it's also Alvaro's, because we have been through a lot of like processing visa papers, and na-feel ko yung pagod niya for me. Like every time we go, every time we do something, that requires a passport, like a strong passport, namumblema siya. So I'm happy that I have this now. Although it's just a document, doesn't really, like change a lot of things, although it will help me do many things. But yeah, really, really happy. I'm really, really happy moving forward para sa mga trips namin. Now, you know guys that we love traveling. So now, mas greater opportunities for me and Alvaro to travel outside, yung zone na walang visa, na using the Spanish Spanish passport. So yeah, I'm really really happy. So it's my passport and also Alvaro's passport. So happy. But anyway, yeah, uuwi na yun for lunch and nag-work ako sa bahay and he's working outside. So yun lang. Thank you guys for everything and I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Although hindi naman siya sobrang detail, but you guys I'm going to welcome all of your questions. I will try my best. And usually ako naman, nagko-comment because you guys write comments in Tagalog. So I cannot really, understand it. He needs to Google Translate. But I'll try my best. If you have questions about the process, I will be so happy to reply. I'm not a pro. I'm not a lawyer. Although meron akong lawyer all throughout this process, and I'm really really grateful for her. Sobrang malaking tulong niya for me and for my visa ever since. The same lawyer from Barcelona 4 or 5 years ago, the same person, same amazing person. She's just the best, but yeah, I'm going to try my best to reply to you guys. Are welcome to comment. I will reply as much as I can. And if you happen to be in Spain and processing your visa, good luck. It's going to be a very long way and journey. It's going to be a long journey, but it's going to be worth it. And yeah, at some point it seems so long, but you will definitely darating ka sa point na I have it, and it's just this. I've been stressing my whole life in Spain for this, and I finally got it, so I'm really really happy. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it, like it, and may natutunan kayo, like I said. But yeah, bye bye guys, love you all.